Okay everybody, here in this video I'm going to show you how to open up a HP all-in-one computer. I've heard it's a little difficult, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. The reason I'm going to open it up is because I'm going to go ahead and install some extra RAM. The computer comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM. The maximum you can upgrade it is to 16 gigabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and install two 8 gigabytes, total of 16, to maximize the performance on the computer. So what you want to do is you want to grab credit card or debit card, doesn't matter, just a card, and go ahead and pop these open from the bottom. Okay, see how those popped open there, because the screw is under here, and the screw here is basically what holds the computer pretty much together. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so that wasn't too tight. Go ahead and do the same thing with the other one. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this will also come off. So you could have also popped this one open. All right. There you go. All right. Let's go ahead and also loosen this one up. So you guys saw probably taking that one off here first would be better. But okay, yeah, that one is, loosen it up a little more. That's completely loose there. There you go. So it slides off. Let's put it back in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this part out. See this cover here, it also comes off. Same method with the card. Okay, make sure you use the other side so I don't mess up the strip. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and apply a little bit more pressure. There you go. You might want to use this to pry a little bit without breaking it. There you go. All right. So the clips look like they're intact. Go ahead and keep putting parts here. Then let's go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Let me see. Let me take a look. Yep, so let's go ahead and loosen up all the screws here. Oh my gosh. Hold on, don't fall in there. There you go. So it wants to go back in there. Alright, same thing here. Okay. And this one has looks like two more. And another one here. Yeah, looks like another one there. Okay, let's take it out then. All right. Let's see. Well, the screw fell out, so looks like it wants to stay there. Let me go ahead and press a little more here. No. Okay, so these things need to come up. It looks like it wants to stay in there. Now this thing has a tape indoor inside, so you definitely want to be really careful. Okay. Okay. Now this side seems to be pretty loose, but not the other, not this side. I don't know why. There we go. You can see how this side seems to be loosening up pretty good, but not this side over here. There you go. So you see how we just clip it open. Okay. Oh. There you go. All right. So let's move this. Really careful over here. Okay. Now you can put something here to kind of hold it together. Or maybe you want to pull it this way. Go ahead and put this here in the meantime. Maybe. Alright, let's do this. Let's go ahead and... There. That should do it. Then, here you have the existing RAM. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. There you go. Now it has a Samsung currently. So a Samsung 4 GB actually came out of there. So I'm actually using also a Samsung, but I'm gonna replace it with two 8 GB, like I said. Okay. So go ahead and put that here. And put the other one. Okay. Let's put the first one here. There you go. So it goes 8. And the other. And the other 8. There you go. So you got, looks secure and everything. Clicked. You got 8. And you got 8. So that's 16 total. Okay, let's go ahead and put this back together. Hold on. Let me not lose my wallet inside my computer, because that will be pretty messed up. So now let's go back and change the, or click this back how it was. Okay. Okay. Let me take a look and see a closer look and see why it's not clipping. There you go. Okay. So it snaps in place. This is actually the webcam covering. So that's open. Now it's closed. Very good. Alright. Very good. So it looks like it's good there. Now let's go ahead and put the screws back together. Okay. Oh, there you go. Now it clicked. Yeah, so there it goes all tight all the way around. Now makes sense. All right. So you see, so far, what you have seen, it's not too difficult. I mean, once you have done it before, personally, this is my first time opening up one of these. I've changed the RAM in some older computers, but not on the all-in-one model. So to me, this is definitely something different. Okay, so we got all the screws. Everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and actually wipe down the monitor. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back here. Now let's go ahead and put the stand and the rest of the parts back up. So we gotta put this one first. So as you can see, it has a bunch of clips. There you go, all of them are tight. Now let's go ahead and put this back on. Okay, let's do, let me see something here. Not actually the other way. Oh, okay, keep popping. Yeah, let me flip this around because it's actually from the back where the screws are up here now. Or up here. See where the screws are. Yep, here. And again, lining up. Screw is here and here. So let's go ahead and slide that back in there. Okay. Let's go ahead and tie this up. There you go. Tight. Same thing on this one here. Yeah, that one definitely feels a little tighter, but right. Might be stripped. No, there you go. That's good. Let's put this thing also here. Square it back. Okay. Maybe resting here on the bottom first. There you go. So you gotta rest it on the bottom. This thing here. Bottom also first, so that works better. So on the bottom and then up. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Bottom, then the top. Okay, so everything looks back to normal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys around so you can make sure that this is actually working properly how it should. Okay, I put the computer back in here, connect everything here. Ethernet cable, power, and the printer. Alright, there you go. I'll put it where it was. Okay. Let's go ahead and refocus this so you guys can make sure that it turns on. So this computer actually turns from the back. Has a button there. Now we have done some modifications to this computer. Okay. So maybe it's rebooting or something because it took a little longer than what I expected, when normally what it would give me a little bit of a heart attack there, like that I broke something. But there it goes, came up. Let me go ahead and I want you peeking in here. There you go. All right. Okay, now that the computer is on, basically double check and make sure the RAM is actually in there. So you basically go to the bottom here to start, right click, systems, then on systems you click about, or right there it shows up too. So as you can see, let me take you guys a little closer. Take my phone out of the recording stand. You guys can see that it has 16 gigs. Very good. So that was the whole video, how to install it. My first time opening it up one of these computers. Installing the RAM was my second time. And then I have a little bit of an issue trying to find where the specs were, but I found it. Hopefully find this video helpful. Subscribe, like, and give me a thumbs up. Definitely you will see more videos in the future. Have a good day. Hope this helped.